espresso machine. We're gonna open it up and try it out.
It is beautiful. This is what it looks like.
It includes an instruction manual, a pressurized funnel, a coffee tamper, a milk cup, different size filter cups.
The buttons here are really easy to use. This is the power button, the button to grind, the pressure gauge, the single cup button, and the double cup button. And then on the side here is where you have the switch. This water reservoir is really great. You can either fill it up right here, or it's detachable, which is very convenient. You can take it and fill it up wherever you want. And it's really great because this is a high capacity holder, so it can actually hold 2.8 liters. Another great feature is that this drip tray is detachable, so you can wash this out very easily. This is what the grinding cup looks like. You can see there are 30 different settings you can choose from. 30 is more coarse, all the way to 0, which is more fine. We're gonna do it in medium though. It's so easy, you just place it right on and twist it to the level you'd like it to be at. Then pour in your espresso or coffee beans. You turn the power on and then you just hit the grinder button. When it's finished, you just need to press down on the coffee grinds and then brew it. I'm going to be hitting the single cup button, and this is perfect for 1 shot of espresso. Something I love though is these buttons are customizable. You can long press on either the single or double cup and set it to the flow that you would like, and that determines the amount of liquid in your cup. When it reaches the amount you'd like it to be at, you just short press the button again. I absolutely love this milk steaming feature. It is so fun. It makes the milk so hot and so frothy. And it's so easy to use, and it does it so quickly. I also like to add a little dash of cinnamon. This coffee is so velvety and smooth. It tastes amazing.
This is such a great espresso machine. I love that you can actually make drip coffee with it, or you can make espresso. You can use the frother and make lattes, cappuccinos. You can pretty much do anything you want, which is unbelievable. I also love that it's not that loud. So this would actually be perfect in a business or home setting, either one. And then the high capacity water holder is awesome because you're not constantly filling that up. So I think the look of it is sleek. It looks beautiful in a kitchen. This would even make a really great gift for anyone that loves any kind of coffee drink. So I think this is such a great quality product. I absolutely love this.